G'day, here's a few pieces of Boulder Opal. Some are faces, a couple of them there are got seams still, which you'll have to open. But make some nice little pendant or ring stones, put 2 or 3 together maybe, or use it as a highlight stone with other opals. We'll just go up so get a better look, a bit closer. I've turned them up, that's so you can see the faces. This one, they've been wetted so the light's reflecting a little bit, that white is light reflecting. Make a couple of little stones there. They're all nice and thick, so you've got a good backing on them. It's a pretty little stone. Anyway, a few hours of fun there, and not large investment. I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.